This is video tutorial of replacing front shock of Vespa LX 125. This old one will be replaced by this new one. Tools needed to this work. This is jack stand to jack up the front part of the Vespa. And this is 6mm Allen key. This is 13mm socket wrench. This is extension to extend Allen screw and socket wrench so that it can be used to fasten and unfasten front shock screws. We need this to undo and fasten wheel screws and front shocks lower screws. The first step is jacking up the Vespa and removing the front wheel. Next thing to do is removing shocks lower screws. This and this one. After removing lower screws, we then go to upper screws. It has two upper screws. This and the other one over here. To remove lower screws, we use Allen key with extension. A wrench like this so that it can reach the screw over here. Lower screws have been removed. 2 screws, each with 1 washer. Next thing to do is removing upper screws. I will use 13mm socket wrench with extension. Let's start unfasten the screws. It's hard. It's easier to unfasten using this one. After the screw being loosened like this, we can no longer use socket wrench, so we have to further remove the screw by hand or by wrench. But for this one, we still have enough room, so we can continue using socket wrench to remove the screw. This is appearance after the shock has been removed from its place. These upper components of the shock remove and then install to the new shock. We can remove the upper component of the shock using 17mm socket wrench. The first upper component to be installed is this rubber washer. On top of rubber washer is this one, and then the other. I have installed upper component of the shock. Next thing to do is install the new shock. We install shocks over here and over here. We put this cable clamp, which also serves as upper screws washer, on top of the shock. The shock have been installed, so first we install the upper screws. It's difficult to do this without any help from others. After done with upper screws, we can go to lower screws, and this is much easier to be done. The last step is installing the front wheel. I hope this video tutorial helped you in removing and installing front shock of Vespa LX 125. Thanks you for watching.